Welcome to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. Are you ready to transform your trading strategy and take full advantage of Raydium's decentralized exchange? In this video, we'll show you how a cutting-edge Raydium AMM market-making bot can optimize your trades, enhance liquidity, and maximize profits. Let's dive in and unlock the power of automated market making on the Solana blockchain. Before we dive into the bot, let's quickly cover the basics. Raydium is a decentralized exchange DEX built on the Solana blockchain, leveraging an automated market maker AMM model. AMMs use smart contracts to provide liquidity, allowing traders to swap tokens without the need for a traditional order book. Market making involves placing buy and sell orders to provide liquidity, narrow spreads, and facilitate trading. The Raydium AMM market-making bot automates this process, enabling you to manage liquidity pools and execute trades efficiently. Here's what makes the Raydium market-making bot a must-have tool. 1. Automated buy and sell orders. Seamlessly place orders to maintain liquidity and optimize spreads. 2. Dynamic pricing algorithms. Adjust trade prices in real time based on market conditions. 3. Liquidity pool management. Automatically manage deposits and withdrawals from liquidity pools. 4. Real-time monitoring. Stay updated with live data on trades, profits, and pool performance. 5. Customizable strategies. Tailor the bot to fit your trading preferences and risk tolerance. Now, let's walk through how the bot works. 1. Connect your wallet. Start by linking your Solana wallet to the bot. We recommend using a wallet like Phantom or Solflare for secure connections. 2. Configure the bot. Set parameters such as trade size, price range, and trading frequency. The bot's intuitive interface makes configuration quick and easy. 3. Monitor market conditions. Use the bot's real-time data feed to stay informed about liquidity, volume, and token prices. 4. Deploy and automate. Once your settings are in place, activate the bot to start market making. It will execute trades, manage liquidity pools, and adjust orders automatically based on your strategy. Pro tip: experiment with configurations in a test environment before going live to ensure optimal performance. Here's why the Raydium market-making bot is a game changer. 1. Enhanced liquidity. By providing liquidity, you help improve the trading experience for others, while earning rewards from liquidity pools. 2. Maximized profits. The bot's dynamic algorithms optimize trade execution for maximum returns. 3. Time efficiency. Automate repetitive tasks like order placement and pool management so you can focus on strategy. 4. Reduced risk. Customizable risk parameters allow you to control exposure and minimize losses during market fluctuations. 5. Smarter strategies. Use historical data and analytics to refine your approach and stay ahead of the competition. Here are some pro tips to get the most out of the Raydium AMM market-making bot. Monitor gas fees. While Solana's fees are low, keeping track of costs ensures optimal efficiency. Adjust spreads regularly. Dynamic spreads can help you capture more trading volume without excessive risk. Track pool rewards. Keep an eye on liquidity pool incentives and rewards to maximize your earnings. Analyze performance. Use the bot's built-in analytics tools to review performance and identify areas for improvement. While this bot offers incredible advantages, there are a few challenges to keep in mind. Market volatility. Rapid price changes may impact your strategy, so monitor performance closely. Initial setup. Configuring the bot requires a basic understanding of market making and Raydium's platform. Best practices. Start with small trade sizes to minimize risk while you refine your strategy. Stay informed about Solana and Raydium updates to take advantage of new features and opportunities. Thank you for watching the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. The Raydium AMM market-making bot is a powerful tool to elevate your DeFi game and make the most of Solana's ecosystem. Ready to get started? Download the bot today and experience smarter trading and liquidity management. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into blockchain tools and strategies.